We're gonna put your gloves so we can change the oil on that 2020 Kia Sorento.
Yeah, this is
Mom's car. S11934XL. It's the oil filter. See? Let's bring it over here. There's one oil, two oil. It's so dusty. It needs to be clean, right?
Yeah.
You think I should clean it? Nah. Dirty oil from the car, son. Ooh. Careful. Ooh. Ah. This is real dirty. Open our gloves. Take this one off. Here. Grab it. 2 fingers like this. And pull it out. Already pull it out. 1, 2. There we go. Go ahead, take it off. Grab it. Take it off. Oh. There we go. Here. Put it right here. And push down. Push. There we go. Look, son, we have to change the O-ring. Now what? Then you can get it off.
Get it off.
There it is. Grab it, son. Trash. It's on the side of my truck. All right, now we gotta get the new O-ring.
Okay.
Ooh, you think you can open that?
Yeah. I can.
Need that. That's a crush washer. See that, son? Crush washer.
Here.
Yeah, right here, son. So I'm gonna squeeze it over. Push it down.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, there we go.
Wow.
See?
Yeah.
She's in the spot now, son. Look, the new O-ring. What is that? No, we need that for the bottom. So what I do is I put it inside, just like this, and I twist. Look, see? We're fixing the car. Shouldn't use this, but I'll be real careful using this gun because it's too powerful. Turn your back, son. And she's on. Now, oh no, I gotta hurry. Where's the crush washer? Here it is.
Yeah. Oh, it's on you.
Oh no. I can't get the old one off. We're gonna double crush washer. See?
Oh my god.
No. And then we'll put it back on. Just like that.
No,
And then I gotta tighten it real fast. Show mom how to pop the hood. See that?
Oh.
Pull it. All right. We gotta open it now. Look, son. Open the hood. You know how to open the hood, Cruz? Look, right under here. So it's gonna be in the middle. Look, see this lever? Put your finger here and you'll pull it this way. Move it over to the left. Go ahead, more.
Oh.
Just like that.
And I was gonna like.
There it goes. Nice. Careful. Hold that. Don't move. Hold this. Don't move. Don't move. Nice. No move. We're gonna try to fill it up. Don't move, son. Move your head. Move your head. There you go. Yeah, that's dirty. Whoa! Oil's getting everywhere. Careful. Put it right there. Boom! Nice. All right. Here, let's pour the rest of that in this one. The last test, we turn the car on and look again. If she's not leaking, then we're good to go. We're gonna tell Mom to turn the car on, son.
I struggle to get out of that car.
Oh yeah, we did it. We did it.